Welcome to this tutorial on how to delete an Instagram conversation on Android. If you're someone who uses Instagram's messaging feature frequently, then you might have a cluttered inbox that needs decluttering. Deleting individual conversations on Instagram is a great way to clean up your inbox and start fresh. In this video, we'll show you how to do that in a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the messenger icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your direct message inbox. Next, find the conversation that you want to delete. Long press on the conversation, and a menu will appear. Tap on the Delete Messages option to proceed. This will bring up a confirmation screen asking if you're sure you want to delete the conversation. If you're sure you want to delete the conversation, tap on Delete to confirm. The conversation will then be deleted from your inbox. You can delete as many conversations as you like by repeating the process above. It's important to note that when you delete a conversation, it will also delete all of the messages within that conversation. So, make sure that you've saved any important messages before deleting a conversation. Deleting conversations is a great way to keep your inbox organized and tidy. It can also help you to remove any unwanted conversations and start fresh. Whether you're looking to delete one conversation or multiple conversations, the steps are simple and easy to follow. In summary, deleting conversations on Instagram is a quick and easy way to declutter your inbox. By following the simple steps outlined in this tutorial, you can keep your conversations organized and tidy. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.